moving day. I'm so tired. Okay, so long time no see. I mean, not really, but I am in my new apartment and it's weird. It's so weird living by myself. I mean, I don't think I'm really used to it yet. I haven't been alone here for more than like 12 hours, so it's really not that big of a deal right now. But I feel like eventually I might be a little freaked out. I don't know. I like it so far. I like having everything be mine in my own space. But yeah, it's weird just like not having anyone to talk to, I guess. Anyways, I wanted to come on here to start the process of me filming my move-in. I moved in a few days ago technically, and my mom was here to help me, and I didn't film a ton of it just because it was just very hectic, running a lot of errands, trying to just get like the staple pieces that I needed for this week. Like I got a desk and put that together, which I needed because I work and I have a ton of computer monitors and stuff, so I needed that. And then a bed, I guess I didn't need because I have a mattress, but it was nice to get that done as well. I also got some other stuff that I will walk around and show you guys. I'm going to start working on hanging some of my clothes up just so that it's not in boxes anymore and I can actually kind of see what I have, because I can't just wear the same thing every day. I am eventually going to be getting a wardrobe in that room, in the main room. That's where most of my stuff will go. But for now, I still just want to get it on hangers, and then eventually I can move it over to that area. So right now I just have just piles of clothes laying right there that were all in a box that I have to hang and do whatever with. And then this entire box is full of all of my pants, I think. This is just like miscellaneous random shit. Oh no, this is more dresses and clothes and whatnot. And then I think, what the heck? Where's the box with all my pants in it? I'm blind. It's literally right here. Oh, it's really heavy. Okay. Eventually, I'm going to be getting a bookshelf to put right here that can kind of act as a nightstand as well. Like I said, I have my desk put together. I need a desk chair still, so I'm using a crate and some pillows. I'm getting most of my furniture from IKEA. My mom helped me put this stuff together, but yeah, I have a ton of computer stuff, so that needed to be done. And then I got a TV. I have gotten a few groceries just because I needed stuff so I didn't have to order food. So I just have like milk, waters, coffee, a bunch of alcohol already, eggs, cheese, just like not really that much at all, but just stuff to like get me by for now. And then I also got some cups. I had all of this stuff already. These are new. These are in a set from Target, and I got all of them for $25, and I think that they're really cute and they were so cheap. And then I also just got some plastic ones. There was 4 of these, just to have for guests, or if I just don't feel like using a glass one. And then I also got some dishes. I have 4 bowls and 4 plates, but I'm obsessed with these. I have some food in here. literally mainly just pasta because it's easy, and I'm waiting on my I ordered like a pots and pans set of just like plastic stuff for if people come over or whatever I might need it for. A gazillion liquid IVs, so I'm definitely good to go on my hydration and my hangovers. I have a coupon code if you guys want to use it. You can get 25% off and free shipping. I'll put it across the screen. Some bread, and then yeah, not too exciting yet. Still have a lot of work to do and a lot that needs to get done, but that's the exciting part. And I ordered some prints that I'm so excited about. I think that they're going to be really cute and make the place look really good. I got 2 that are gonna go right there side by side, and then I got a huge one that's gonna go over my bed. Good morning. No, it's probably not the best idea to have coffee before the gym, but I'm just gonna make it and drink like a couple sips of it to give me just the little boost that I need. And then just going to bring water. I'm going to be using the coldest water little insulated water bottle. It's the perfect size for the gym. All my other water bottles are massive and kind of hard to lug around, so this one is becoming my go-to for when I go work out in the morning. Also has my name on it. How dope is that? Keeps your water nice and cold all day.